Another question, is it possible to get an adoption without a lawyer, and what sort of cost is involved?
No, you need a lawyer.
You absolutely need a lawyer.
You absolutely need a lawyer. And the costs that are going to be involved, if it's a foster care child, the state just passed the Louisiana has Faith and Families Act. That just passed this session. Mm-hmm. The state will actually pick up a lot of the costs for children with special needs. Special needs might not just be children with mental health needs or physical needs, but if you have a case where the children are a little older and it's a whole family coming in, brothers and sisters coming in for adoption, you know, you're adopting a whole family. That's an expensive process,
right,
and the state will can step in financially and help. And the state, on these circumstances, could even pay the lawyer's fees. Mm-hmm. They also have a category in which they just call it children that are difficult to find adoptions for, and it's the same thing. And there are various reasons why it might be difficult for them to find an adoptive parent. Now, in terms of the private adoption, that's when things get more expensive, because if you do a private adoption or an agency adoption, first you will have the home study. If it's a agency adoption, you're going to have an agency fee. If it's a private adoption, you will have, you're going to have your legal fees. The other expense you'll have in an agency or private adoption is the mother who's giving up the child for adoption, her maintenance while she's pregnant until she gives birth, the medical expenses of the birth, the 45 days of living expenses afterwards. So you could be running up a bill of $40,000.
Well, it can go way up there.
And it can get worse.
Yeah, yeah.